Choosing the right best drone can be difficult. That's why we've compared the top 5 models to make your decision easier. Number 5. Loiley X69 2K HD FPV Drone. Loiley X69 2K HD FPV Drone, a foldable beginner-friendly camera drone featuring a 2K HD camera, altitude hold, 1 key takeoff/landing, and 2 batteries for longer flying sessions. Price, around $39.98. For under $40, the Loiley X69 offers impressive value with a 2K FPV camera, dual batteries, and beginner-friendly controls, making it a great budget drone for first-time pilots. 2K HD FPV camera for aerial photos and video. Wi-Fi FPV lets you view live video on your smartphone. Altitude hold keeps the drone stable for easier flying. 1 key takeoff and landing simplifies operation for beginners. Headless mode makes orientation easier while flying. 3 speed modes for beginner to intermediate skill levels. 360 degrees flip mode adds fun aerial tricks. 2 rechargeable batteries provide longer total flight time. Foldable design with carrying bag for easy travel. Includes propeller guards and spare blades for added durability. Pros. Excellent value for the price. Easy for beginners to learn. Stable flight with altitude hold. Foldable and highly portable. 2 batteries extend flying time. Fun features like FPV and 360 degrees flips. Cons. 2K camera quality is decent but not comparable to premium drones. No GPS, obstacle avoidance, or advanced tracking features. Wind performance is limited due to its lightweight design. Shorter control range than higher-end drones. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo, a lightweight under 249G 4K camera drone with a 3-axis gimbal, AI tracking, 8K photos, and up to 96 minutes of total flight time, designed for creators and travel enthusiasts. Price, around $441.99. While it's a premium price drone, the Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, a controller with a 5.5-inch display, charging hub, and carrying bag, offering excellent value compared to many competing drones. 4K per 30 frames per second HDR video with a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor for sharp, vibrant footage. 48MP camera with stunning 8K photo capability. 3-axis mechanical gimbal delivers smooth, cinematic video. AI track automatically follows people or moving subjects. AI night shot improves low-light photography. 2.7K vertical shooting for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. 4x digital zoom, P-log, slow motion, panorama, dolly zoom, cine roll, and quick shots. Up to 10 kilometers, 32,800 feet, video transmission for long-range flying. 3 batteries provide up to 96 minutes total flight time. Under 249G, lightweight, portable, and easier to travel with in many regions. Pros. Outstanding 4K video quality with stabilized 3-axis gimbal. Excellent 48MP photos and 8K image support. AI tracking and intelligent shooting modes are easy to use. Long 96-minute total flight time with 3 batteries. Under 249G design makes it highly portable. Remote controller with built-in 5.5-inch display eliminates the need for a phone. Cons. Higher price than most beginner drones. No obstacle avoidance sensors. 4x zoom is digital rather than optical. Advanced features may take time for new pilots to master. Number 3. Contixo F28 GPS Drone. Contixo F28 GPS Drone, a lightweight, foldable GPS drone for beginners featuring a 1080p camera, auto-follow, 1-key return, and intelligent flight modes. Price, around $54.97. For under $55, the Contixo F28 offers GPS-assisted flight, intelligent features, and a carrying case, making it a solid value for first-time drone pilots. 1080p HD camera for aerial videos and photos. Built-in GPS for more stable and reliable flights. Auto follow mode keeps the drone tracking your movement. One key return to home enhances safety with GPS assistance. Waypoint flight lets you draw a route in the app for automatic flying. Selfie mode for hands-free aerial photos and videos. Foldable design with included carrying case for easy travel. Up to 23 minutes of flight time on a single battery. Wi-Fi FPV provides live camera viewing on your smartphone. Only 90G, lightweight and no FAA registration required in the US. Pros. Affordable GPS drone with intelligent flight modes. Lightweight and highly portable. Easy to fly for beginners. Auto follow and waypoint flight add extra convenience. One key return improves flight safety. Carrying case included. Cons. 1080p camera quality is basic compared to modern 2K or 4K drones. Still photo resolution is only 2 MP. Limited range of about 1,000 feet. Not ideal for windy conditions. Customer ratings are more mixed than some competing budget drones. Number 2. Elecci E55 Air Drone. Elecci E55 Air Drone, a beginner-friendly drone featuring a built-in screen controller, optical flow positioning, dual batteries, and fun flight modes for easy flying. Price, around $49.99. At under $50, the E55 Air offers a screen controller, SD card, and 2 batteries, making it an attractive budget option for first-time drone users. Key features/highlights, 010 to 040. 720p HD camera for basic aerial photos and videos. Screen controller included. View your flight without relying on a smartphone. 2 rechargeable batteries for longer flying sessions. Optical flow positioning helps maintain stable hovering indoors and outdoors. 1-button return for easier and safer operation. Auto follow mode for simple subject tracking. 360 degrees flip and 1 key rotation for fun aerial tricks. Multiple speed modes to match beginner or experienced pilots. SD card included for storing photos and videos right away. Pros. Affordable beginner-friendly price. Built-in screen controller is convenient. 2 batteries increase total flight time. Optical flow improves flight stability. Includes SD card and essential accessories. Easy controls for new pilots. Cons. 720p camera quality is below modern 2K and 4K drones. Lacks GPS, obstacle avoidance, and advanced intelligent flight features. Bluetooth connection offers a shorter control range than premium systems. Customer rating of 2.9/5 suggests mixed user experiences with reliability and performance. Number 1. DJI Neo 2 Bundle. DJI Neo 2 Bundle, a lightweight 4K AI camera drone with palm takeoff, gesture control, active track, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, designed for effortless flying without a traditional controller. Price, around $299. At $299, the DJI Neo 2 bundle delivers premium DJI technology, intelligent flight features, and protective accessories, making it an excellent value for beginners and content creators. 4K Ultra HD camera for crisp, high-quality videos. Palm takeoff and landing. Launch and land directly from your hand. Gesture control for hands-free photos and videos. Active Track AI automatically follows your movement. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing helps avoid collisions during flight. Controller-free operation using your smartphone or gestures. Ultra-lightweight 151G design for easy portability. Foldable design for travel and everyday adventures. Includes intelligent flight battery plus lighted landing gear, propeller guards, and gimbal bumper guard for added protection. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity for quick setup and control. Pros. Excellent DJI image quality with smooth 4K recording. Palm takeoff and gesture control make flying incredibly easy. Active Track keeps subjects centered automatically. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing improves flight safety. Extremely lightweight and travel-friendly. Protective accessories included in the bundle. Cons. Single battery limits flight time compared to Fly More bundles. Gesture control has fewer manual controls than a dedicated remote. Premium price compared to entry-level drones. Not designed for strong wind conditions due to its lightweight build. Interested in the DJI Neo 2 bundle? Check the affiliate link in the description for the latest price and deals. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech reviews and the best gadget recommendations.